My name is Josh. I'm an International Relations and Politics student at the University of Lincoln. I really enjoy studying my course. You sort of really get to delve into the parts of politics and international relations that you're really interested in. I've been able to listen to talks by MPs, former members of the Special Intelligence Services, and I've also been given the chance to speak on the regional radio as well. A great experience on the International Relations and Politics course is Model UN. Here you get to participate in a simulation where you're given a problem and as a group you have to solve it. This is a great way to have a career experience as well of being a diplomat. I'm looking forward to the study abroad opportunity that the university has given me. I'm going to be studying at SUNY Oneonta in the USA. It's a great place to be able to develop my interest in American politics. Having the chance to experience different cultures is great at this time. The student experience in Lincoln is great. I mean, it's a very student-friendly city, and it's a small city as well, so in your time here you'll get to know it very well. Lincoln has also got an interesting historical side to it. You have the castle and the cathedral. I've been on tours around the castle of the university. It was a great friendship building experience. There's also a modern area which is perfect for students. It has many bars, restaurants and shops. I'd absolutely recommend doing international relations and politics at the University of Lincoln. It's a great way to expand your knowledge in a field that you love.